In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw horizontal support and resistance lines in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place, adjust, style, and remove these levels so your charts are clean and meaningful. Support and resistance are simply price areas where the market has reacted before. Drawing them helps you quickly spot zones where price might bounce, stall, or reverse, which is why they're a core part of many trading plans. Start by locating the Drawings or Shapes icon on the left toolbar. It looks like a diagonal line with a small square. This is your hub for all the annotation tools you'll use on the chart. Click it to open the menu, and from the options that appear, choose Horizontal Line. This tool creates a line that stretches across the entire chart at a single price level, which is exactly what you want for consistent support and resistance. Now click once on the chart where you want the level to go. Think about where price has turned several times in the past, or where candles frequently paused. You can always refine it, so don't worry about being perfect on the first click. If your chart is zoomed out, it can help to zoom in slightly so you can place the line closer to the exact price you have in mind. If you want to reposition the level, hover over the line until it highlights, then click and drag it up or down. As you move it, notice how the line stays perfectly horizontal while the price value updates. Take a moment to align it with the key swing highs or lows you care about. Some traders prefer lining up with candle closes, others with the wicks. Be consistent with whichever approach you choose. To make the line easier to read, click the small gear icon that appears when the line is selected to open the settings. Here you can change the color, style, and thickness. Consider using one color for resistance and another for support so your chart is easy to scan at a glance. A thinner, dashed line can be great for minor levels, while a thicker solid line can emphasize major zones. Choose what fits your workflow and keeps the chart clear rather than cluttered. When a level is no longer useful, simply right-click the line and select Remove. Keeping only the lines that matter will make your analysis faster and more focused. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for